If you are absolute beginner and you want to speak in English, you want to learn how to speak in English, so you can do that. So here I'm going to tell you some basic things that is very important to know before I start how to speak in English, because as a beginner we don't know how to start in better way. Okay, so first thing is that never try to collect lots of information materials and books and never try to remember lots of word meaning. This is the first mistake we always do as a beginner when we start to how to speak in English. So this thing happened with everybody, even with me happened. So first thing that you should not do, that is collect lots of information, then I will start to speak these kinds of first later remember 5,000 word meaning, then I will start to speak. This is the biggest mistake. I know it's everybody doing if they don't know the best way to how to start speak in English. And even I did, I told you. So never do this thing. Okay. And second thing is that whatever you're watching, it's a movies and it's a video, it's a news, and if are related to educational video, uh, just try to watch in English. Yeah, I know it's hard. Initially, it's hard. It's not able to manage, and this thing, it's it's upset kinds of thing. But this is a very important thing that helping to improve our spoken English, because you can think it's when we was like we were it's a child, like a child kinds of, so that those days we were like whatever we were listening, those things we were able to speak only. So that I'm saying, try to consume English content, try to watch English movies. It's yeah, it's not will be that kind of interesting, and that kind of it will give you entertainment. But when you will watch 5 to 6 movie after that, you will be able to understand as well, and you will also realize same entertainment as you're watching you in other language. Okay, so second thing is done, and third thing is that whatever where you are living, uh, try to surround yourself like a English kinds of thing. Environment is basically called. So how you can do that? First, you in your phone, one application should be that should be like a English talking application. This kinds of where you can do practice. This kinds of application. At least one application in your phone should be, and one dictionary application should be in your phone, because whatever what we like see in books and in movies, if someone heard from here and there, so you can put in that dictionary, and you can see what's the meaning, actual meaning in your own language. So you will find, then you will be able to curious to know more and more word meaning whatever you were heard from here and there, and then you will be able to search, and you will know real meaning of that. Then this way you will be able to remember more and more word meaning. You don't need to remember 20 30 word meaning daily. If you are I'm talking about if you are above 10th and 12th standard, so you don't need to remember this kind of, you will be you can speak. It's no need, because you already know, like you have lots of word meaning, but you are not able to speak in English. But yeah, it's basic grammar rule, you already know if they are pursuing like 10th and 12th and it's already completed, so it's don't need to worry about learning word meaning and grammar rule also. In spoken it's not using like lots of grammar rules even. Okay, so you don't need to remember like that. Just start. Yeah, you as a beginner we can say how can we start. You are saying just a start, but this is very difficult to do that as a beginner. It's facing everybody. It's a hesitation, it's like of confidence and so many things. But when you will be do this thing for 10 to 15 days, you will realize you were saying right. Okay, so this way you can start. It's 3 to 4 points I clear covered here. And next thing that you can do like practice, like English speaking practice with your partners, like you can download application where you can do practice. If you don't know application name, so comment below, I will give you there. Okay, and that is a best application actually, where I do practice from last more than 200 days plus with consistency. So last thing is that for beginner, that is consistency is matter. Really, consistency is matter in every field, every situation. So we should also follow in this like English speaking journey. Okay, consistency. If you will be consistent for 10 to 15 days, then you will see a lots of improvement happen within you. So that I'm saying, try to be consistent in English speaking journey, and one day will be fluent in English. So this is all about uh, how to start, how to speak English if you are a beginner. So see you next time.